Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on November 12, 2022, one star Sudoku. Sixth row, three numbers are remaining 5, 8, 9. Sixth grade, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come to this cell, it will come in another two cells. Fourth grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then sixth row, only one number is remaining 9, 9 is confirmed here. Seventh grade, we have 4. And fourth also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 8. Ninth row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 5. Second row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Second row, third row, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. Ninth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Seventh grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 8th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 7. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining 3, 8, 9, 3. Third row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in another two cells. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then third row, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column J, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 9. 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 9. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.